Hello everyone, welcome back to For Engineering. In today's video, I want to show you how to scale in AutoCAD 2024. So today I will explain two ways for scale. Scaling with scale factor and scaling with reference. So from Modify panel, select the scale, select your object, right click and specify base point, or let's specify this point. Specify scale factor. What's scale factor? Our object is scale factor for our object is 1. If you enter 1, you get the same scale. But if you enter any number, for example, if you enter 2, we have 2 dimensions. This dimension and this. 6 times 2 equals 12 and 3 times 2 equals 6. You get this dimension. Press enter. As you see, you get these dimensions. Let's do it again. Our shortcut for scale is C, enter. Select the object, right click, select specify base point. And now let's put enter 0.5. Enter. We get half of our object. And for any object it is the same. You can scale for any objects. Let's explain the second type of scale, scaling with a reference. Select your object, right click, specify base point. And if you mention here, specify scale factor or copy or reference. Just type R, enter. Now specify reference length. From which length you want to scale it? For example, from this point to this point. Now you can put new length. Our length is 6. Let's put, we need 4.25. Press enter. As you see, we get new scale. Let's do it again. Type SC for shortcut scale, enter. Select object, right click, specify base point, and now type R for reference. Select it, specify reference length, for example this point and this point. Now you can put new length. Our length is 3. Let's put 4.6. Enter. This is scaling with these two types. Thanks for watching, guys.